Welcome to the Blue Star Higher Secondary School Class 6 subject Social and Political Life. Today we are going to see how you should write the classwork. I am going to show now. Children, first fill the index page. This is the introduction part under the understanding the diversity. This is the mind map of the understanding diversity which you see in this video. The topics is making friends. What does the diversity add to your lives? Diversity in India, Ladakh and region, the unity in diversity, the D words with the meaning Tamil and English. This is 1 mark. Filling the plants, you should write the headings in the black pen and the answer you should write in the black pen. This is the matching the following, 2 marks. 3 marks. Then 5 marks. The D words under understanding the diversity is the diversity, unity, inequality, advantages, opportunity, profession, habitat, resources, perhaps freedoms. The 2 marks, from where does the people get their ideas for writing the stories? Books, real books. From the books they will get a real stories and they will write it. Okay, real life, from the what happens in the real life they will write as in a story. Imagination, whatever their dreams comes in they will write as in a story. Okay, the people living in the forest choose their writing about their fights and the friendship of animals. Okay, whatever there are some people will live in the forest, what the fights is going between the animals they will write as in a story. Okay, for example the jungle books. Okay, some people wrote their childhood memories of the people. The childhood memories, like whatever we have been done in childhood we will write as in memories. How did the India become like this? All the Indians are one. They love their motherland more than their lives. We always likes India and we also living in India, so it is in a motherland we have love India. Okay, the list of the foods that you have been eaten from the different parts of India. The foods, different parts of India: bread, rice, dals, North India; rice and fish, South India, East India; idli, dosa, South India. The 3 marks is, how is India as country of our diversity? India is a land of diversity because of the following. People will speak different languages like Hindi, English, Malayalam. The people eat different types of food. Yes, like idli, dosa, many types of foods people will eat. What are the festival they will celebrate it? The celebrate festival of each religion has a different festival. They will celebrate as a festival in our diversity. The practice of different religions is Hindu, Muslim, many type of religions are there. What does the Jawaharlal Nehru says in his book Discovery of India about the unity in diversity? Jawaharlal said that we should also we should not impose from outside. Okay, we should be all unity among the Indians. Okay, it's something deeper within this fold. We should be more deeper. Whatever we know we should fold and we should never leave our unity. Okay, the acknowledged and the encouragement of the variety. Always we should encourage our India. Whatever they are doing we should encourage, and there should be an unity. Does not, it should exceed the unity in India. Okay, how was the unity in diversity seen during the British rule in India? The people of India has diverse cultures, customs and the backgrounds. Many backgrounds is there. Many cultures are very different, and this unity in diversity has ruled nearly 300 years. It has been ruled to get this unity against the diversity. The diverse people rose against the British, some nations, and they uh, showed the unity in diversity though they rule in India. The 5 marks is compare the life in the two different parts of the country, the Kerala and Ladakh. Kerala is location is situated in west, southwest and boundaries. By one side it is a mountains, on another. Okay, it is located in mountains of the Jammu and Kashmir eastern part. It is be a cold desert. The occupation, the main occupation is fishing. Here the raiding like ships and goats are the main occupation under the Ladakh. Food here is fish and rice and meat and milk, cheese, etc. The different religions is Hinduism, Christianity, Islam, Buddhism practice here. Here was only Buddhism reached the Islam's practice under the Ladakh. Childrens, you please read this whatever I have taught. Thank you.